Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today I'm going to show you how to do a proper side plank. So first, let's get down on our mat. So you're going to start with your hips on the floor. Important thing to remember is to have your elbow right below the shoulder. So not like this or like this, right below the shoulder. From this position, your feet are together and you're going to slowly squeeze those hips using your core. Squeeze your hips using your core. Push yourself up to a side plank position. And make sure when you're in side plank position, you're not doing this or this. Your back should be straight, forming one straight line from your head to toe. Now, you can also bring the other arm up to help you keep the balance. Or you can have it here, whatever works for you. And here, make sure you're not dropping your hips. Squeeze those hips up and stay in this position. You can also add side plank dips to make it more challenging, but without dropping your hips on the floor. Good. Now modification, there are two modifications you can try. So you can start with your elbow check right below the shoulder. Same starting position. You can start here and keep your feet, knees on the floor, and then you can just squeeze your hips up, stay here. Or another modification you can try is if that's too much on your shoulder, you can keep your hips on the floor, keep your legs straight, and bring your feet up. Stay here, up to you. So those are the two modifications you can try. I would suggest if you're a beginner, start with 10-second hold and then gradually add 5 seconds as you go on. So 15, 20, eventually 60-second, a minute long. So I would suggest doing that for 3 sets and see how you feel. That's it for today. That was our side plank. And if you have any questions on how to do a certain exercise you're not sure on the form, please write in the comments below and I'll make sure to explain it to you and film that for you. So that would be great if you could do that for me. Also, have a great day and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye!